For months, I've sounded the alarm on Chivayo. We intercepted messages and videos showing $1.2 million in cash, bribe money, meant for Parliament and Minister Mchunguri with his brother Joachim. Review. They plan to remove all war veterans from the army and CIO once Cap 3 passes. Zana mnamashwaruda panguva ino achicirculatewa nedhisiyendo yakanzi President Army 2030 zvikora zvikananda ari kuonekwa kunzi panguva ino pane maplans aiwa makukutu. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon and post these SMS messages amuri kuona kanzi G6 plasma D. I want you to come and collect 1.6 million for distribution. When? Tomorrow please. Quote takawapa mari 5 million. That's great. Mkoma, we want a position in government this year. Yes, army generals will say next year every war vet must be re-signed from army. Toisa mafana vese kiki Chiwenga Sanyato nema generals inyanadzia. Yes bro, you must eat nyika ndiyedu ini ndikutoda mines ministry. I have plenty guys who want to come. Nothing is impossible. I'm in charge of Zimbabwe. Yes, God is on our side bro. Our plan next year is to remove every war veteran in police, army, CIO and in every institution. Toisa especially CIO. Yes, toda kuibvisa. Toisa vedu tsvaga 5k you trusted tise mu-CIO. But verification will be done. Atidi akamboshanda CIO during Mugabe's time. Okay bro, nothing is impossible. And all these messages amuri kuona panguva ino ari kucirculata panguva ino ichitenderedzwa nedhisiyendo yechikora zvigananda ichiexposa maplans ari kuitiwa awa nezvigananda vamuri kuona kuti they are planning to attack vice president Nkosazana Chiwenga, Nana Sanyato nemagenerals ese, war veterans, CIOs. Maplans are going to they want to capture all the institutions of the state. Nakomesa section videos of video any mutu dipa msuru pechitwechi. Don't subscribe or like, chiro don't bell icon.